If you want to buy a domain name for your website, brand, or online business, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you exactly how to search for a domain, check if it's available, add it to your cart, and complete the purchase on Namecheap. I'll also cover a few important options along the way, like auto-renew, domain privacy, and skipping extra services you don't really need. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and website guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to the Namecheap website. Once the homepage loads, use the domain search bar to type in the domain name you want to purchase. Try to keep your search simple at first, and if your first choice is taken, Namecheap will usually suggest other options and extensions you can explore. After you search, Namecheap will check whether the domain is available. If the domain is available, you'll see the option to buy it. If it's already taken, you may need to try a different name or another extension like .net, .co, or something else that fits your brand. Once you find the domain you want, click Add to Cart. This moves the domain into your shopping cart so you can review everything before paying. Now, click Checkout. At this stage, take a moment to confirm that the domain name and the price are correct. This is important because you want to make sure you're buying the exact name you intended, especially if you search through multiple variations. Next, choose the registration period. You can usually register a domain for 1 year or longer, depending on your needs. If you're building a long-term brand or website, a longer registration period can be a smart choice. Then decide whether you want auto-renew enabled. If you want the domain to renew automatically so you don't accidentally lose it, keep it on. If you prefer to manage renewals manually, you can disable it instead. After that, keep domain privacy enabled if it's available. This is a helpful feature because it helps protect your personal contact information from being publicly visible in the domain records. It's usually a good idea for most people. Now skip any additional services you don't need. Domain registrars often offer extra add-ons like email services, hosting, or security tools, but if you're only buying the domain today, you can leave those unchecked and add them later if necessary. At this point, you'll need to log into your Namecheap account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure the account information is accurate, because this is where your domain will be managed after purchase. If you have a promo code, enter it now and click Apply. This can help you save money if you have a valid discount code. Once that's done, click Confirm Order. Namecheap will then ask for your required billing and contact information, so fill that out carefully and make sure everything matches your payment details. After that, select your preferred payment method. You may be able to pay with a credit card, PayPal, or another available method, depending on your region and account setup. Finally, complete the payment to purchase the domain. Once the payment goes through, your domain is officially yours and you can start using it for your website, email, or business project. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy a domain on Namecheap from start to finish. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.